Okay, I know I already have so much of their jewellery, but I placed a teeny tiny order at Monica Vinader and I just have to show you what I got. Also, before we get started, don't forget I have a 20% discount code for Monica Vinader. Just click the link in the description box below and that will take you to the Monica Vinader store and it will get you 20% off absolutely everything. You don't need an actual code. Just put something in your basket and you'll see a magical discount appear. And yeah, enjoy. So I ordered this a few weeks ago when they had their sale on. And honestly, it was just such a good deal. I couldn't resist. So I thought I'd unbox it with you and show you what I got. So this is how it comes packaged. And I'm really impressed at how sustainable it is and how recyclable it is. But also the fact that they've packaged it so nothing will get dented or damaged in the post. Also, I ordered these in the final clearance of their sale and I am really impressed that all the jewellery still comes beautifully boxed and in the full-size boxes too. Whew, so let's look inside, shall we? So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. All the jewellery comes in a nice little pouch. And then inside the pouch is the jewellery. So I'm normally a gold jewellery kind of girl, but I actually already have this necklace in gold. And I don't know why, but I really wanted it in silver too so that I could wear the two together. Look who's come to join me, it's Mary. Hello. So yeah, I thought this would be really nice to have in silver, just for when I'm wearing bags which have like silver hardware, or I figured I could wear it with my gold version and do a bit of mixed metaling. But I just love this design. I wear it all the time in the gold, so I couldn't resist getting it in the silver too. So I just went off and found my gold version and I just thought I'd show them to you side by side. And this is what they look like worn together. Obviously they are the same length, but I have put the chain so it's a little bit higher up on the gold, just so that you can see them better. But I think they look really, really pretty together. And yeah, I just really love them. I love this necklace. It's literally one of my favorites. I also have the chunky version and I'm really tempted to get the bracelet as well. So let's see what else I got. So here is the second item and it is just a simple, delicate chain bracelet. So this is what it looks like on. It's just really pretty and delicate. I just thought it was so cute and of course you can layer it up with other bracelets. And then I have a secondary reason for buying it. Let me show it to you. So a while ago, my boyfriend bought me the Cartier Love Necklace. Here it is. Let me show it to you. It's so cute. But I've always felt like it just sits a little bit too high on my neck. So I thought I would get the bracelet. Firstly, as a bracelet, but second of all, I thought I could possibly use it to make this necklace a little bit longer. So let's give it a go. Oh my God, this is so much better. Again, apologies. The light is so bad today. It's literally so dark. It's like winter out there. But I don't know if you can see, but the bracelet and the necklace have made it a really, really pretty length together. And it just makes it much more like a length I'm happy with and a length I'm comfortable wearing. And I think it looks really good actually layered up with the other two necklaces. What do you think? And of course, when I'm not wearing it like this, I can just wear it as a bracelet. Price-wise, I think the silver necklace was around £66. I can't quite remember the exact price. And I think the bracelet was around £20, which I thought was incredible. I bought them both on the last few days of the Christmas sale, so they really were rock bottom prices. I think they were both 60% off. But yeah, I just couldn't resist. So that is what I got. And one day I should do an updated video of my full collection because I hate to admit it, but I have got so much. I've got like thousands of pounds worth of their jewellery. I just love it so much. Anyway, that is what I got. I hope you like it. Don't forget about my discount code. It's in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.